In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your email subscriber list into your ConvertKit account. Before you even log into ConvertKit, you'll want to get your CSV file ready. This is the file that contains your email list. Open it up in a spreadsheet tool and first remove any duplicate email addresses so you don't import the same person twice. Then quickly scan through the email column and make sure each contact has a valid email address and there are no blank cells. At the top of each column, use clear, simple headers, such as email, first name, last name, and tag. If you use any custom fields like company or source, keep those in separate columns as well. When you're done, save or download the file as a CSV, which stands for comma separated values. Now, head over to your ConvertKit dashboard and log in. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu and hover your mouse over the option labeled Grow. A sub-menu will appear. From there, click on Subscribers or Add Subscribers, depending on what you see in your account. On that page, you'll have the option to import subscribers. Choose the option to import a CSV file. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to choose a file to upload. Click the button that says Choose a file to upload. Your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your email list, CSV, select that file, and then click Open in the bottom right corner, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. ConvertKit will now reload that pop-up to show you a mapping screen. This is where you match the columns in your CSV to ConvertKit's fields. Under the Kit field column, you'll see drop-down menus. You'll typically see built-in options like first name, email, and comma separated list of tags. For each column in your CSV, choose the matching field. If you have extra information that doesn't match an existing field, you can create a new one by typing the field name into the drop-down. ConvertKit will show an option to create that new field. Click it to confirm. When everything is mapped correctly, click Next. On the next screen, you'll see optional settings. Here, you can identify this import with a new tag, add subscribers to existing tags, connect them to specific forms, or even add them directly to sequences. Configure these options based on how you want to organize your list. Then click Start Import. Finally, a pop-up will appear saying that ConvertKit is importing subscribers. Click Got it and give it a little time to process. Once the import is complete, your subscribers will appear in your list, ready to be used in your email campaigns.